Ever open a company's financial report and just freeze at a table like this? Numbers everywhere, no idea what actually matters. Here's how I get Claude to break it down for me in seconds. First, I just drop the PDF right into the chat. I don't even need to find the exact page. Claude can scan through the whole report. Now I just ask the simplest possible question. Explain what this table is showing in plain English. No jargon, no assuming I already know accounting terms. Once I have the basic idea, I follow up and ask it to walk through each column and figure one by one. This is the part that turns a wall of numbers into an actual story. Revenue coming in, costs going out, and what's left over. And this is my favorite part. I ask it to cut through the noise and just tell me the 1 or 2 numbers that actually matter. For this report, that's revenue jumping to over $81 billion and net income more than tripling year over year. That's the headline, buried in a spreadsheet. That's it. 3 simple prompts and a table that looked intimidating turns into something you can actually use to make a decision. Try it on your next earnings report or bank statement.